Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 83. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 4, 9, 9 here, so 2, 4. That means the only place the 9 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here. Oh, sorry. A 5 here, so 8. I was right the first time. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 4. And this is our 6. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. Oh, but that 4 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.